For thousands of years, mathematics was seen as the most human of all sciences, built on intuition, logic, and brilliance. But now, something is changing. A quiet revolution is unfolding, and in its heart stands a man most people have never heard of, Alex Davies. Somewhere inside a dimly lit lab, rows of screens flicker with equations, graphs, and predictions. A single figure leans forward, not to solve, but to simulate. His mission: to teach machines to understand what once only humans could feel, mathematical intuition. This is where Davies' story begins. At Trinity College, Cambridge, under the mentorship of machine learning pioneer Zubin Gahramani, Davies discovered his obsession. He wasn't content just learning the rules. He wanted to reimagine how we discover them. He dreamed of machines that could do more than calculate; they could imagine. In 2017, Alex founded a new experimental team at DeepMind. Their mission: AI for maths. It wasn't science fiction, it was science evolving. The idea? Build artificial intelligence capable of uncovering truths in areas like topology, number theory, and combinatorics. Let machines not just compute, but propose, hypothesize, guide. In 2021, the results were published in Nature. For the first time in history, AI had led mathematicians to a novel conjecture. Machines had spotted a pattern in knot theory, one that no human had noticed. Davies wasn't just proving theories. He was proving that the way we do mathematics was about to change forever. Davies was never interested in replacing humans. He believed that great ideas are born at the intersection of intuition and automation. A mathematician might sense something, but an AI can test millions of cases overnight. Together, they don't just accelerate discovery, they deepen it. Mathematics is transforming, from pure logic to guided exploration. No longer just proofs and axioms, but data, simulations, and intelligent guidance. The frontier is no longer only the human brain. It's the collaboration between neural networks and neurons. And pioneers like Alex Davies are showing us the path forward. Most people don't know his name. He doesn't crave the spotlight. But his impact echoes across classrooms, journals, and the future of science. In a world where machines are beginning to reason, Alex Davies is the one who taught them how to imagine.